So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Indian healthcare system and what is wrong with it from the point of view of a medical student studying medicine in India. So the biggest challenge our country faces with healthcare is satisfying the population. India has about 1.2 billion people, so that is the biggest challenge for any system, be it healthcare, education, or whatever it may be. Most of the problems are only cause of this population. So, what India is trying to do is give healthcare to everyone, and this is a very good initiative. But what goes wrong is how they're going about doing this. So, what they're trying to do is they're trying to increase the number of doctors and hospitals in our country. So to do that, you need more doctors. So for that, they're increasing the number of medical colleges. To increase the number of medical colleges, they're starting new medical colleges on their own, or they're giving permission to different private parties to open their own medical college. So the main problem with this is once you start allowing private people to just open their medical colleges with certain permissions and loopholes, what happens is a situation like the current engineering situation comes on to the medical field. As in, there are thousands of engineering colleges in each state in India, but unfortunately, we are not able to produce the highest quality of engineers, and we are not able to sustain them or make them work in India. Most of the high quality good engineers usually escape from India and go to foreign countries like the US or UK in search for better pay. And there's always been this question as to why there has never been a Facebook, Google, Microsoft, or those sort of companies from India. A lot of it has to do with the political background behind all these companies, but also the engineers don't find value in working in Indian companies and opening such companies over here. So that's a very big challenge. So so what kind of situation will happen to the medical community is that you will have a lot of number of doctors, and highly qualified doctors will be looking for options abroad, because the average pay of a doctor is very comparable to the pay of engineer. So let me just break down the numbers for you. Suppose a doctor finishes his 5.5 years MBBS degree and comes to into a government, or he just goes and works somewhere in any hospital. His pay will be around 30 to 50,000 per month. Okay, now you see this 30 to 50,000 month is a average number. It can be higher, but this is the average pay which every doctor gets. And compare that with the average pay of an engineer. So you finish your 4 years BE or B Tech, they get around the same 30 to 50,000 per month. Now, this is an average number, but there are stories of engineers getting pay around 10,000 or 20,000 per month. So, all of this is due to the sheer number of engineers which are present in our country. So, if we are going to start opening more medical colleges and create more doctors and hospitals, a similar situation is going to come to the community of medical practitioners in our country. So the problem with this is the highly qualified, very knowledgeable, good doctors usually take up posts in different countries because they find better pay over there. For example, let me just compare a situation where a freshly passed out MBBS graduate works in a government, he gets so much in India, right? So he just goes abroad somewhere and he clears any some like USMLE or PLAB or some kind of exam like that, and he gets a residency. He will get around 50,000 US dollars per year. This is, he will get this amount per year, but this is a very normal amount if you live in the USA. Very decent amount, I would say. But when you convert it to Indian money, this is a very, very, very large amount compared to the 30 to 50,000 per month which they get. So they get lured by this financial option which they have, and they go abroad, and obviously they try to earn more. So what that creates is all the good doctors are being robbed from India, and they go to different countries, and Indians don't get the best treatment per se. So what I feel we can do is we can start increasing the pay of doctors. So maybe from 30 to 50K, maybe you can give from 70 to 80K for a doctor, so that he would be lured more and he would find more happiness or more financial gain from this field, that he would do service in India and do good for the people over here. So that's what I think is wrong with the Indian healthcare system. So please do comment if you feel I've said something wrong or you have a difference of opinion. We can always talk it out in the comments bar. So thank you. Please do like, subscribe, and share these videos as much as possible.